Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, help me out, hit that subscribe button. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share with a friend. Those all help out the channel, allow me to continue to produce great content for y'all. So today's product I want to share with you is a tactical flashlight, and it is by a company called Vastfire. I will include a link in the description that will take you to Amazon if you want to check it out for yourself. See what the current price point is, all that fun stuff. But let's go over all the details of what you're going to get once it arrives. So once you order it, it's going to come in just a plain old plastic bag. Mine came in with this nice green hard case that can obviously get wet. Once you open it up, everything is nice and secure inside here, and it's got this foam to protect everything. And then also in the plastic bag separately was the USB charger to charge up the battery. So this was in there also. So once everything, let's go over all the parts and pieces. First off, you're going to get the flashlight itself, which we'll go over in detail. You're going to get a spare battery. Then you're going to get a extra rubber gasket. I accidentally ripped mine, but yeah, so you get an extra rubber gasket. You're going to get little Velcro here strap for your tail cap. You're going to get the battery charger itself, which I said is USB charging. It goes right in here, and then there is some lights here to let you know when it is fully charged. And then you're going to get also a 20 millimeter Pekingese quick release rail mount. I always get that pronounced wrong. I'm sure somebody can correct me on the correct spelling in the comments, but essentially this is the rail mount. You can take off these. I've kind of loosened them so you can kind of see this part comes out. It includes the Allen wrenches to do that. Take this off, put the flashlight in there, and then retighten it so it's all nice and secure. This can't slide out, and it stays all nice and secure there. And then this attaches to the rail of your weapon. And to quick release it, you just flip that over, and then to tighten it, it tightens into the rail. Now, to adjust that, there is another Allen wrench part down here, which they include so you can get the perfect fit on your rail. So, and that all comes in this little plastic bag. And then the other part it comes with is this tail cap switch. So if you want to use this instead, this is really nice. So you come here, just unscrew the back side where the battery goes. And as you can see, here's the other battery. It's a nice tight fit, but it slides in and out real easy. So you just screw this part back on here. If I can get it straight, there we go. So just screw that on. And then you can use the Velcro to attach this to your weapon. And then, yeah, so the end piece here, you have, press it down and it'll turn on the light. Press it again, turns off. Or if you just need like a burst of light, you can tap the end here. And that's how this works. So it gives a nice little attachment. But yeah, this thing is super, super bright. So let's go ahead and roll some footage of it in my yard so you can see it at night to see how bright it is. Okay, so you've seen how bright it is. Like I said, it has a single wide beam, so there's no adjusting. It is just a solid beam, and it's really, really wide. So that's going to allow you, if you're a hunter, it's going to allow you so you can see the wide field of view and not miss that shot, and no messing around with the cycling modes because that kind of gets annoying, especially when it goes into the SOS modes and all that kind of stuff. So simple, on, off. For those that want to know, it is 1,250 lumens, and it also can go 250 feet before fall off. Now, I haven't been able to physically measure that because that's really far, but as you can see, it goes really, really far as throwing that light level, and obviously the further it goes, the light level drops. But yeah, so the body is all made of nice aluminum construction, a pretty solid build, and pretty weather resistant, so it can handle getting rained on, mud, all that kind of fun stuff. It should not be submerged. It's not fully waterproof, so don't keep it underwater for a long time. But if you drop it in a puddle, it should be pretty fine. But yeah, then the last thing I want to go over is the battery life. So it has a 4-hour battery life, and you got the 2 batteries, so you're pretty good up to 8 hours. And that is essentially all the ins and outs of this tactical flashlight by Vastfire. Other than that, hit me up in the comment section if you have any questions or comments. I do typically respond. Do help me out. Hit that subscribe button. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.